Hey guys, it's Danielle. Today I wanted you to watch me eat a Kit Kat, and it's not any old Kit Kat. It is Nodo Ame Aji Kit Kat, which means cough drop Kit Kat, cough drop flavor Kit Kat. So yeah, only in Japan, right? I got it at 7-Eleven. And I don't know, do they ever come in these kind of packages in the America? I don't know about the America. So yeah, just little packages of 2. And I like, because they usually tell you the calories. So this is 65 calories. And I think this guy is famous. I don't know what for. That guy. That's irrelevant. Let's get in here. Let's eat the Kit Kat. I'm not usually a big fan of white chocolate, but one of my favorite Kit Kats was the pancake one, and that was white, and that was just glorious. Anyway, looks a little bit like this. Can you see that it says Kit Kat on it? No, you cannot. Well, it smells kind of minty, but it smells kind of like a Thin Mint. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, I feel like I was tasting Thin Mint, and then I got like the menthol kind of rushed to my nose. Yeah, like when I swallow it, I feel like I can breathe better. I feel like it's the menthol version of a Thin Mint. And it's not a bad thing. I do feel that kind of Bengay smell though. Do you think Bengay and cough drop smell similar? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I need all 3 of these packages, but glad I tried it. Something new. And that is all. I'll see you in my next video. Oh, what flavor Kit Kat do you hope they come out with next? They've come out with a lot. I think I just like the regular one, but I like to try new ones too. So that's all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe!